Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Chrysler 300 and Dodge Charger RT. While both share a common platform, they target different drivers. The 300 offers a more refined, luxurious experience, while the Charger emphasizes aggressive styling and performance. We'll explore their unique characteristics to help you decide which sedan best fits your needs and preferences. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, both vehicles deliver impressive power, especially with the available V8 engines. The Charger RT, with its sportier suspension, tends to offer a more dynamic and responsive driving experience, appealing to those who enjoy spirited driving. Conversely, the Chrysler 300 often provides a more composed and comfortable ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes and extended road trips. Your preference for ride quality will be a key factor here. Inside, the Chrysler 300 typically presents a more upscale and refined cabin, with higher quality materials and a focus on comfort and luxury. The Charger RT, however, leans into its performance heritage with a more driver-centric cockpit and a sportier feel. Both sedans come equipped with user-friendly infotainment systems and a comprehensive suite of safety features, ensuring a connected and secure journey, regardless of your choice. Considering value and practicality, both the Chrysler 300 and Dodge Charger RT offer competitive pricing, though specific costs depend on your chosen trim and options. Fuel efficiency is quite similar when comparing equivalent V6 or V8 powertrains across both models. Ultimately, your decision will likely come down to whether you prioritize luxury and refinement or aggressive styling and a sportier drive. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.